In every nation, community and industry, there is a scope of transformation to be brought. And in every heart, there is passion and zeal to pursue it. Mr. Ramesh Agarwal made a difference in the lives of people that forever changed the way we look at the transport industry. He served in Indian Air Force for 5 to 6 years before establishing the largest mover company of household goods in India, named Agarwal Packers and Movers. A major concern faced by the defence personnel was to shift their household items from one state to another, carrying heavy items and valuables in tough conditions without damaging it. This motivated him to create a solution. At the same time, he had no finances to start his own business, as he had already donated all his earnings to the War Widow Fund. With the mantra of more pain, more gain, he created a solution for the pain area, which helped him to excel in business. With a loan support of 4,000 rupees from his friend's mother, he laid the foundation of the business. To promote this work, he used to travel daily in early morning to distribute 5,000 flyers at defence locations and residences in Delhi. Soon his struggle and hard work paid off, as he got 6 consignments within few months of operations. He expanded and started catering to the common civilians' requirements as well. With the vision of moving forward, his company focused on providing cost-effective solutions to the customers rather than suggesting costly solutions until and unless required. Thus, it paved the path for business success. He established the company's principle of "We carry emotions." Currently, his company has over 100 branches and moves nearly 1 lakh consignments in a year, and 5 times surpassed their own records in Limca Book of Records. Today, they serve to various industries in India like logistics, commercial, supply chain and other logistics. Also, they are one and only air cargo transporter in Delhi. For various needs of customers, they provide customized containers that not only utilize the carrying capacity but also save on transportation cost. Virtual warehouse, truck and tube are some of the concepts he is currently implementing in the market. In the business of transportation, they couldn't afford frequent vehicle breakdown that led to delay in delivery. That's why 5 years back, he partnered with JK Tyre.
Like a plant grows by itself, but it needs someone's support to move upward. Similar support JK Tyre has provided us through our journey. JK Tyre team provided assistance in the middle of the night as one of our truck was standing on the side of the Manali highway. This particular gesture melted our heart and we never thought about anyone else. My younger brother Rajendra Agarwal is one of the pillars of our business and working towards the expansion of our company. My next generation is also contributing their part in their business.
Ramesh ji is a philanthropic person. He introduced a new concept of Neend Ka Daan to avoid road accidents on highways. A rest place with all basic amenities and health facilities where drivers can take rest before moving to their next destination. It is located at the Jaipur-Ajmer NH8. Every 4th day of month, they organize Darbar Day, where employees can raise concerns faced by them. This helps them to understand the market issues and come up with innovative offerings.